We have a program inside Digital Wrench called Labor Logger, and you can get to Labor Logger by going to the Run menu and clicking on Labor Logger, which will bring up this screen. Labor Logger is used to record actual time that you work on a particular job. So once the screen is open, you can click on Select Technician, select a technician, click on Select Labor Item, and you can expand the labor items by clicking on this button, or you can put them back together that way. So once you find the item you're going to work on, you can click on that particular item and select, and it's going to allow you to type information about what you're doing and record the actual amount of time spent working on this item. And you can do that from one job to the next, so you can go into the job, work on it, sign out, and then you can go back and work on it some more, and it'll accumulate the hours for you. So once you're in here, you click on Log In, go to work on whatever you're working on. When you're finished, you'll click on Log Out, and then you'll click on this small arrow to transfer the time over here, and click on this little disk to save it to your work order. When you're done working on this particular job, you'll click on Clear, and then you can go back here and you can select another technician, and you can select another job, and then you can log in. So this can be used with many different computers if you have a multiple computer system, or it can be used with one computer if you just have one computer. But it's excellent for people that do time their actual amount of time spent on the job, or people that are doing reconstruction work, or something that doesn't have any kind of a labor guide associated with it. Thank you, and enjoy Labor Logger.